Want Kali Linux without touching your Windows install? This tutorial is for you. Make sure to watch the entire video for the complete guide. This live USB method keeps your data 100% safe while giving full hardware access. You'll need at least an 8GB USB 2.0 drive, but keep in mind, USB 2.0 can be quite slow. I recommend using USB 3.0 or higher for much better performance. You can stick with 8GB for persistence, but if you can, go for something larger than 8GB for the best experience. And Rufus. It's a free tool. And Kali Live ISO. If you don't have Rufus or Kali Live ISO, then don't worry, we will see how to download them. Now, let's see how to download Kali ISO and Rufus. If you already have downloaded them, you can skip this part. Search for Kali Linux and go to kali.org. Click on Download. Scroll down and click Live Boot. Now just click on Download arrow. Until download finishes, let's download Rufus. Open a new tab and search for Rufus. Go to rufus.ie website. Scroll down to Download section and download the suitable version. After download finishes, close your browser and go to Downloads folder. Insert your USB drive now. Open Rufus and select your USB under Device. Click Select and choose your Kali ISO. If you need persistence, select the partition size. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. For partition scheme, choose GPT for UEFI systems, or MBR if you're using an older BIOS. If you like, uncheck Create Extended Label and Icon Files. It's optional. Important message before proceeding to next step. Back up your USB first, because it will erase everything on it. Click Start, and OK. Then OK again, and wait until the process completes. It should take a few minutes. Next, open your BIOS settings and adjust the boot order. Here's a list of BIOS keys for different laptop and PC brands. Select your USB drive and move it to the top of the boot priority list. Be sure to turn off Secure Boot if it's enabled on your PC, otherwise you'll run into an error screen. Now, save the changes and exit. Simply enter the live system. For more information about Kali Live menu options, hold and check this table. And that's it. Your portable Kali Linux USB is ready to use anywhere. If this helped, consider like and subscribing for more tech guides.